Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am the Monica McGee, and in today's video I'm simply showing you how I put shrink bands onto the dropper bottles of body oil I sell for my small business Pretty Nail Boss. Shrink bands are great to use for when you need to ship liquid items because it prevents the oils from leaking while they're in transit to your customer. All you need to do is add the shrink bands to the rim of your bottles and then use a blow dryer or a heat gun to heat the bands, and then that'll shrink them onto the bottles, and voila, you're done. If you're interested in purchasing shrink bands for your small business, I'll be sure to add the link to where I got mine in the description box. Just make sure you know what size bottles you have so you get the right size. As you can see, they are sealed nice and tight and ready for shipment. And that's pretty much it, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.